factually, the IOA is completely right with the statement that they gave out. So you can't question the facts there. You can question whether they should have done it or not. Nikhil wants to make a point, and then we'll go to Alka Tomar. Nikhil, come in.
Preeti, just a couple of clarifications. Mr. Magazine did point out about that press conference. I was there at that press conference. So effectively, PT Usha and Dr. Pardiwala had come to tell everyone, and those were the FAQs or doubts people had. So while they did try, at the 11th hour to ensure that the weight reduction was happening, that wasn't down to Dr. Pardiwala or PT Usha. What they were trying to convey, because you remember that time, there were a lot of theories doing the round that, oh, she could have cut her hair, she should have called in sick, then she wouldn't have been able to weigh in. What Dr. Pardiwala and PT Usha actually did was to come and tell us that, A, yes, she cut her hair. B, yes, she had to be there for the weighing. If she was not, then she'd be disqualified anyway. C, the process of her gaining or losing weight is done by her backroom staff, which has been there with her for a long time, because they understand that particular wrestler, how many kilos they gain on a certain day and how to reduce that. That would be, a Dr. Pardiwala or a Peter Usha won't have any idea. So they effectively were the faces. They were there to make any clarification needed in terms of all the various conspiracy theories doing the round. So they were directly involved in the weight loss. I think this response, which I've said earlier as well, shouldn't have come at this time. They should have been mindful of the case happening. I think is more so because there were a couple of there were a couple of reports that came that, Dr. Pardiwala that has been put there was incompetent, could not control the weight, and so on and so forth.
Fair point. So they were facing the heat, especially on social media. But
Preeti, can I just respond?
I have little time. Allow me to bring in our fourth guest who hasn't got a word in. I want to go to Alka Tomar, who's the National Women's Wrestling Champion. Alka ji, अगर आप ये जो PT Usha, IOA से आप खुद एक रेसलर हैं, जो ये रिस्पांस आया है, इसको कैसे देखती हैं? क्योंकि अभी तक वर्डिक्ट तो आया है नहीं. आपको लग रहे हैं पल्ला झाड़ रहे हैं रिस्पांसिबिलिटी से? क्योंकि वैसे अगर आध्यात्मिक तौर पर उनकी कोई रिस्पांसिबिलिटी बनती नहीं थी वेट पे, पर ये एक पब्लिक स्टेटमेंट देना सही या गलत?
जी प्रीति जी, मैंने स्टेटमेंट नहीं पढ़ा है. क्या स्टेटमेंट दिया, एक बार आप बता देंगे मुझे?
PT उषा ने कहा है, जो IOA ने कहा है कि जो वेट गेन था वो एथलीट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, जो विनेश हैं और उनके कोच की है, और जो मेडिकल स्टाफ जो IOA का है उससे उस पे कोई उनका लेना देना नहीं था. ये विनेश को देखना था और कोच को देखना था.
हाँ जी, वैसे तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एक खिलाड़ी की और उसके कोच की बनती है, जो उसकी टीम उसको प्रैक्टिस कराती है. ये तो फैक्ट है, क्योंकि मैं भी एज ए रेसलर भी खेली हूँ, एज ए कोच भी हम टीम के साथ जाते हैं. जैसे मैंने शायद आपके शो में पहले बताया था कि
अलका जी आपका वीडियो फ्रीज हो गया है. All right, we've lost Alka Tomar, but I just want, let's take a quick comment in. One of our guests wanted to come for an intervention quickly. 30 seconds. Rahul Mehra, you wanted to come in 30 seconds, and go ahead. 30 seconds, sir. Keep it short.
Yeah. Preeti, I just wanted to clarify. I think I completely disagree with Nikhil out there. Had PT Usha not brought Dr. Pardiwala and brought one of the medical team members or somebody who was looking at Vinesh overnight to have that weight loss, then there would have been no questions. What was the difficulty for Dr. PT Usha to bring in one of the team members if they were the ones who were held responsible later?
I'm running out of time, but I'm going to allow Nikhil to answer that.
Now it's only trying...
I'll answer that question.
Okay, sir. Quickly, Nikhil, come in.
Rahul's a good friend of mine. Rahul, that's because her team and her coaches have refused to speak. I have staked out outside the village for 3 days in a row trying to get the athlete or their support staff to come and say on record. They've refused to speak at all to the media. So the IOA was.
So Nikhil, so Nikhil, we should respect that. We should wait. We should wait for the verdict. This is India.
No, but the facts don't change.
But he's saying that.
I agree.
He's agreeing with you morally.
We should wait.
Morally, it's in question, but factually, it's not in question.
Yes.